Alystar here, wishing you and your family a very happy new year. New Year's is celebrated all around the world and people like to party to bring the new year in with a bang. But unfortunately, when we party, we tend to have a drink too many and end up with a hangover the next day. January 1st must be spent with your family and this comes in the way of it. So today I'm going to share with you a few hangover breakfast recipes to overcome this. Do try it out and leave your comments in the comment section. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified for further videos. We have 3 hangover breakfast recipes. The first is a PB&J sandwich with a twist, that is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with a twist. The second are oatmeal pancakes, and the third is a nutty French toast. So let's start with our first hangover breakfast recipe. This is a PB&J sandwich with a twist. For the classic recipe, you will need 2 toasted slices of bread, some peanut butter. I'm using Sundrop brand here, you can use anything you have, some jam, preferably strawberry jam or preserve, 1 egg fried sunny side up, and a pinch of pepper powder. Now to make it, take a slice of toast, apply a thick layer of crunchy peanut butter on it, like so, liberally on all sides. Once that's done, keep this aside. Then on another slice, apply a thick layer of strawberry jam or preserve. Again, a liberal amount on the whole toast, like so. Once that is over, place your sunny side up sprinkled with pepper powder on your peanut buttered slice, gently like so, and cover it with the jam or strawberry preserve slice. Your classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich with a twist is ready. For those of you who don't like a sunny side up, all you need to do is replace it with a regular omelette. Let's begin with our second hangover breakfast, which is oatmeal pancakes. For this you will need half a cup of oatmeal. I'm using Quaker strawberry oats. You can use whatever you have. Half a cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. To prepare the batter in a large bowl, first pour in the egg, like so, the vanilla essence, sugar, salt, and baking soda. Whisk it together like so. It doesn't need to be perfectly incorporated. Add in the all-purpose flour a little at a time. A little bit. Mix it in. Pour in a little milk. Whisk. Add in the rest of the maida or the all-purpose flour. Add the remaining milk if needed. Pour in the oatmeal and incorporate it well in the batter. Finally, your pancake batter is ready. Let's start frying our strawberry oatmeal pancakes. Now that we've mixed our pancake batter, I would suggest you let the batter sit for an hour or so for it to thicken a bit. As you can see, my batter has thickened and is ready to be fried. I've heated the skillet on a medium flame. I'll brush on some oil on the skillet. And now pour out the pancake batter on it to the size of a saucer. Once it's done, cover it with a lid and let it cook for about half a minute or so. Lift the lid and check. If it's not fully done, let it cook for a bit longer. Remove the lid, pour a few drops of oil on it, flip the pancake gently and let it cook for about half a minute without the lid. Now we'll take our pancake off the skillet and put it on a plate. You can see that this pancake is well browned and ready to be served. For added flavor, you can give it a topping of chopped banana and honey, or sprinkle some grated coconut and sugar on it, or give it a PB&J topping. For our nutty French toast, we will require 3 to 4 slices of bread and a batter to dip it in. For the batter, you will need 1 cup of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed and almond powder mixed, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. To make our batter, we will pour in all the ingredients in a bowl like so. Whisk it well. Once our batter is ready, all we have to do is take our bread slices individually, dip them in the batter and shallow fry them on a skillet with some oil. To fry the French toast, heat a skillet on medium flame, brush on some oil, dip your bread slice in the batter. On one side first gently, then on the other. Let it soak up the batter fully. Place it on the skillet. Cover it with a lid and let it cook on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the lid and pour some oil on it. Once that's done, flip the slice and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on this side without covering it with a lid. After 3 minutes, flip it back onto the other side and let it fry until it is slightly crisp. Your nutty French toast is ready. For added flavor, you can top the French toast with maple syrup, honey, jam or fruit preserve. So these were our hangover recipes for the new year. Do try them out and hope you have a bright and prosperous new year.